It's your Telugu debut.
Yes.
And you are making a comeback. Do you both have the jitters of being debut and being comeback?
We are very excited.
Yeah.
If anything.
Super excited.
नए नए इंडस्ट्री में कदम रख रहे हैं and I feel today there are no barriers. Language भी हम सारी फिल्मों की मतलब हम कोई भी language की फिल्में देखते हैं and I think they connect with us at some level. So I'm very happy to be making a debut in another language.
When we think of Pisashchini, it's always the scary face. But you're looking so pretty.
Thank you.
I agree fully. And I think Prerna knew exactly that her Pisachni had to be a very beautiful person, on screen. And Sonakshi's entire get-up, her eyes, even that walk, there's one sequence in the trailer, if you've noticed, where she's just walking. I think it's so stylish that one can never, हम लोग हमेशा ये सब चीज़ें एक look है हमारे दिमाग में जो ऐसे ही होते हैं लेकिन she's changed the entire meaning of it. So I completely agree with you.
Sonakshi, what do you want to say? Because
well, her brief was that I want my Pisachni to be beautiful but fierce. And I think the way it was written also and जिन scenes पर वो प्रकट होती है film में भी the setup is there for her to be extremely fearsome and fierce. So the look was something that they had set, Prerna with the director and my designer and stylist Mohit Rai. Like they really worked on it to make it look very authentic. They wanted that little South Indian touch to it as well. They wanted, she's basically the demon goddess of like wealth. So she had to be full of gold, loaded in gold, because she's also protecting the gold, so it just turned out really, really nice and really fun for me to play as a character.
you got to do something, add something your flavor in that, or you were very stick to the director's vision too?
I think the director, I'm a director's actor, so I think मेरे जो directors का vision होता है, they've stayed with the film longer, they've been a part of the writing process, तो उनका एक idea होता है. As an actor, it's my job to execute that. अगर मुझे लगता है कि ज़रूरत है मेरी इनपुट की, अगर मैं ऐसे प्ले करना चाहती हूँ या कुछ अलग करना चाहती हूँ, मैं बोल देती हूँ. बट मोटा मोटी आई ट्राई टू फॉलो व्हाट माय डायरेक्टर्स विजन इज़. एंड वेंकट सर एक्चुअली ही said, उन्होंने मुझे पूरी छूट दे रखी थी कि this is my Dhana Pisachni, this is how I've envisioned it, this, that and all. Now just like I was on set. And then when the first shot happened, he got so I know he was a bit nervous before because उन्हें पता नहीं था कि मैं ये कर पाऊंगी या नहीं कर पाऊंगी, मैंने ऐसा कभी कुछ किया नहीं है, तो he was not sure what to expect. And the minute the first shot happened, I saw like childlike happiness in his eyes. He was like, "This is my Dhana Pisachni."
Oh wow, that's a
that's a great compliment, and it was like made us all very happy.
How was the new environment? I mean, South industry is completely new for you. Have worked in the 90s, but it is after a long time. So how different it is from the regular work you have done here?
It's actually being on a film set is like being on a film set. I think उसको तो ज़्यादा differences नहीं है, but of course उनके timings बहुत अच्छे हैं, सुलझे हुए हैं. They work only for a particular number of hours. Work-life balance is very, very good. I feel over there, which is something that we can definitely learn from them. यहाँ पे तो मतलब चल ही रहा है शूट 12, 14, 16, 18 घंटे तक चलते ही रहता है जब तक कोई मतलब कोलैप्स ना हो जाए.
Oh my God.
वहाँ पर टाइम के हिसाब से चलता है. 9 बजे आप अगर शूट पे आएंगे, 6 बजे के बाद आप शूट कर ही नहीं सकते, आपको अलाउड नहीं है. तो I think that is something that is really, really nice about that. It's a bit more disciplined, I would say.
You're open to more regional films because now you have tasted this one.
I definitely want to. I mean, I've always been open to it. ऐसा है नहीं कि मैं ना बोल रही थी या कुछ. I've been offered so many regional films in different languages, but of course I've been busy with my commitments over here, so they never like kind of worked out. I've done one Tamil film before. उसके बाद अभी ये Telugu film कर रही हूँ. I'm very open to it. I don't think language is a barrier anymore, and I would love to explore more.